In this video lecture, we will look at break statements in Java programming. There might be a condition when you want to remove something or stop at a point which is going further. In this point, you go ahead and use what is called a break statement. The break statement in Java programming is something that helps us to be able to terminate an operation along the way in case you don't need to go further. When a break statement is encountered in a loop, the loop is immediately terminated and the program control resumes at the next statement following the loop. This can be used to terminate a case in the switch statement or in any way. It is mostly used combined with a enhanced for loop. Let's go ahead and look at this example and see how to terminate from somewhere or anywhere. Just want to do that. Here, I queried a variable numbers, and this is an array. I have 5, 10, 18, 15, 12. So I query in an enhanced for loop. Where I initialize another variable called int and passing the value of numbers into int, and I check out if x meets a number 18, which is the index 2, it should break at this point. Then using system.out.println, I go ahead and put out the remaining ones, and that is 5 and 10. It is very easy to understand. Let's go ahead and run this code and see how this works out. So moving our mouse here, if you go ahead and click on run, you see I have only 5 and 10 printed out at this moment because this breaks out at 18. Let's go ahead and break out from 15. And when you go ahead and run this code again, it's going to give you 5, 10, 18, and it breaks out at 15. So it monitors the values because you've passed the values of numbers into the integer x, and this is being checked. Whenever x is equivalent to 15, it breaks out and never continue. So if you're really taking this course and you come to this point, I would advise you to check out continue statement to see how to move on after you break out somewhere. So I believe that you really understood how break statement works in Java programming. So I believe henceforth you will continue to use it in your program anytime you really want to do so, and you should know when to use it. Therefore, this is all about break statement in Java programming. In case you have any question under this lecture, please try to use the question and answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.